myself Nazanin Akhtar. Welcome to my study channel Naz Studies. Today topic is on plasmolysis. So what is plasmolysis? Plasmolysis is the loss of water from the plant cell. Loss of water. Where? From the plant cell. From the plant cell when placed in hypertonic solution. Hypertonic solution. So the water is lost from the plant cells through, and there is a shrinkage of protoplasm take place. Shrinkage of protoplasm gets shrink. Shrinkage of protoplasm. Or the protoplasma membrane gets detached from the cell wall, or detachment of plasma membrane from cell wall. So what do you mean by hypertonic solutions? In hypertonic condition, we see there the water come out from the plant cell to the outside in a process called exosmosis. If it is placed in a solution which is more concentrated as compared to the inner environment of the plant cell. Exosmosis. Exosmosis means what? Coming out of water. Endo, inside the water comes inside the plant cell. Exosmosis, the water come out from the plant cell. So through the exosmosis process, the water come out from the plant cell in hypertonic solutions when the concentration of the outside environment is more as compared to the plant cell. See here, this is in 0.2 mole of solutions. You find that the plant cells, it is in the normal condition, but as the concentration increases from 0.2 to 0.3 to 0.4, we see gradually there is what happened. There is a detachment from the cell wall to the from the cell wall of the plasma membrane. There is a detachment. We see here the distance like this, and gradually the protoplasm gets shrinkage. See here this one. So the plant cell sac, it in hypertonic conditions, with an increase of the mole of the solutions, it goes on decreasing, and in the end in 0.4 mole we find that the protoplasm get shrink, and this process is called as plasmolysis. And this is more important, which we can discuss in hypertonic conditions, where the protoplasm gets shrink, detached from the cell wall due to loss of water. But it is also a reversible process. It is reversible process. Means it can be deplasmolized. It can be deplasmolized. So how it can be deplasmolized? If this condition is placed, if in the solution, if it is placed in hypotonic solution. When the situation like hypotonic condition when water is more in the outside medium as compared to the plant cells, then what happened? Again the water got inside the plant cells, leading to deplasmolysis, and the cell again the cell can again get reversed. So this is all about plasmolysis in today's class. Thank you.